What's going on, millionaires? Welcome back for another valuable video. I'm here to give you the financial education that you need so you can truly be financially free. This video is really going to be for the person that's looking for a way to make money online, looking for a way to make money from home, but they're not interested in recruiting their friends or family, and you're definitely not interested in selling things. Let's go. Welcome back, millionaires, and let's jump right into the information. Today, I want to teach you something that I was taught over 10 years ago. And I know for a fact when I applied this information, it really put me on the path to becoming financially free. I want to teach you about the cash flow quadrant. This is 4 ways that cash flows and 4 ways that you can earn money legally. Let's jump right into it. The first quadrant that I want to teach you is the E quadrant. This is for employees. 60% of people work for someone. Now, I want to be very clear. I'm not making this video to bash your job or bash you because you have a job. Actually, if you have a job in today's time, then you're truly blessed. But what I definitely want to do is give you the right expectations for the future if you only have a job. Here today, if you're in the E quadrant, you're exchanging time for money. Now, my question for you is, when you run out of time, which everyone does, what happens to your money? Now, the next thing that I want you to get ready for is the 40-40-40 plan. When you work a full-time job, you work 40 hours a week, 40 years before you can retire, and the average person retires off of 40% of their income. We have so many people around the world that have put in their time. They worked a job for 20, 30, 40 years of their life. Now they're living off of 40% of their income, which they can't, and they have to end up going right back to work. This is the future. And ladies and gentlemen, if you stay in the E quadrant, it's only going to get worse. The next quadrant is going to be the S quadrant. 35% of people today are self-employed. They own their own traditional business. This could be a doctor, a lawyer, a beautician, a dentist. Most of the individuals in the S quadrant pays the highest in taxes, and most of them have no leverage. That means they must go to work in order to get paid. So that means the average entrepreneur that's in the S quadrant spends most of their time at work instead of truly enjoying life. And true financial freedom is having time and money. The next quadrant is the B quadrant. This stands for big business. This is where you have CEOs that owns companies, but now they have employees to work on their behalf. They have leverage. John D. Rockefeller says, I'd rather have 1% of 100 people's efforts than 100% just for me. Now, the very last quadrant is the I quadrant. 1% of people are investors. 1% of people have found out a way on how to allow money to work for them and not the other way around. 1% of people have found out how to work smart for money and not hard. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to show you a way on how you can become an investor. What I've been able to do over the years is create a 3-step system. Matter of fact, our slogan is as easy as 1, 2, 3 TPP. Now, over the years, I've been blessed to teach people how to leverage technology, how they can use their phones, their tablets, their computers, and actually make money online without recruiting or selling anything. Matter of fact, I have clients all across the world that I've been blessed to personally teach my system to, and now they're able to multiply their money 1,000+% in the largest financial market in the world. To God be the glory. I've also been blessed to create 6- and 7-figure earners, once again, without recruiting or selling anything. So if you're someone that's teachable, trainable, and coachable, you're someone that's willing to put in the time, have patience, and go through your process, I want to teach you my personal system for absolutely free. I want to show you a way on how you can make money online without recruiting or selling anything. I'll see you on the next video.